Hello, welcome to my electronic lab series of videos. So that is the current source. In the last video I have fixed one error. Now I have turned it on. There is nothing connected on output terminals, so as expected output current is zero and does not react to regulation. But if I make some load, if I connect some load here, I will simply make short circuit. I make short circuit. Okay. Now we can regulate output in this range to 20 milliampere, in higher range to 116, and in the highest range to almost 600 milliamps. We can regulate in each range. The power supply is with standard transformer, low voltage between 5 and 24 volts, and outputs are in parallel. I have here plugs and two screw outputs, but all three are connected in parallel. It is good because when I connect some load here, I can measure the voltage on this load. I will immediately show you for what you can use it. We can use current source to, for example, to measure the current needed for some LED diode. But that I will show you in the next video. Thank you for watching and bye.